Well guys, welcome back to the channel. So a little bit different. We brought you straight into the action again. I've got two on a 2-hook flapper bass. Dad's just got a little one there. Paul's trying the fly rod. It's all kicking off again. So yeah, back at our favourite spot from last time. So yeah, we're gonna unhook these bass and we'll get straight back into the action. Okay guys, well as you probably see in one of our previous videos, Paul has always been up for a bit of fly fishing for bass. he's absolutely determined to get one under here.
Got it.
And I think you might be in luck with that, Paul, actually. Well, I've just been literally free lining. I've taken my weight off my slider. I had a little, I think that's only like a little ounce weight maybe, I don't know what that is, but and I've just been sort of chucking that around and we've been seeing them on the top just splashing every now and again. So Paul's going for his fly fishing for bass. What are you up to at the back there, Dylan? 2-hook flapper on the bottom?
Trying to untangle this from the last two fish.
So Dylan's going for his 2-hook flapper with a couple of bits of ragworm on there. You've had luck, you've had two bass on that already.
Yeah, one was just sizeable.
Yeah, just sizeable, but you put it back, didn't you?
Yeah, put that back.
That's gone back. So yeah, we just want to film a little bit of this for you for a little while and just see if Paul gets any.
It's really not that easy to cast.
No, we've seen some big splashes through the middle there, haven't we? So. Oh, Dylan's in again. Oh, that's a lovely fish. That's a lovely fish. That looks like. Oh my word, that's a beast. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go. Lovely. What a beauty.
Yeah,
that looks nice.
Beast. That's a beast.
Paul, I'll pass that to you, and if you can just film with that net.
Yeah, that's a beast.
Look at that,
we'll
guys.
Get that hook out. Get that hook out.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Right, hook's out.
Oh, that is a nice fish.
That's a lovely fish.
What do you reckon that goes, Dylan?
Oh, that's over 50, I bet.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Possibly, yeah. It's a big fish.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Fat as well, isn't it? Oh, nice.
46, 48 or
No, he's
47?
Yeah, about that.
Lovely.
Yeah, he's a nice fish. He's legal anyway.
Yeah,
Dylan.
crikey, yeah.
He's two.
There we go, look. So this one's a definitely a keeper. Nice 47cm bass there, so we don't normally keep them, but this one's going to come home with us today, so yeah, very nice indeed.
Well done, Dylan. That's
really
a lovely
happy with
fish.
that one.
Yeah, absolute cracker. Well done, mate. So Dylan's just had another little knock. Oh, there he's in. Yeah, nice take there, Dylan.
Yeah, very nice. Not as big, no, smaller, but
Still nice.
appreciated.
Absolutely.
Lovely.
Nice.
Very nice.
Right, where's that
I don't know what Dylan's doing, Paul, but he's definitely
He's slaughtering us.
yeah, he's slaughtering us tonight, isn't he?
Go.
I ain't even had a fish.
Hey?
I ain't even had a fish. I've been more interested in that big boat that's coming our way, to be honest.
I don't know if you can just see that through the pilings there. It's scaring us a little bit. I'm sure we'll be fine. Dylan's in again. Smashing us tonight, ain't you? Hey?
Well, here we are surrounded by bass. And that's what I've managed to catch tonight. So, yeah.
Oh,
You did say, would there be any eels around here, Dylan?
Yeah.
There's your answer.
Not the sort of eel you was after, more of a conger eel, I think, Paul.
Well,
But yeah,
an eel's an eel, mate.
an eel's an eel.
Brilliant. Let's just call this the Dylan Bass Fishing Show.
Another nice healthy fish.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, lovely bass that, guys. Very nice indeed. It's going straight back. Off he goes.
Well done, Dylan.
Cracking.
Paul can catch bass. Only little ones, but he can catch them. Hallelujah.
After all that screaming.
No, you can't.
Oh, nice. It's not as big, not as big as I thought it was going to be,
It's got
but
the blue on it, like it has in Brighton.
has it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's lovely. Look at that tinge. Look.
That's a lovely fish. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I didn't think.
I thought he'd come off.
I thought he'd come off.
A nice fish.
If he's
What do you reckon he goes? I reckon he's just
Tell you
under,
what,
don't you?
he's warm.
Warm.
Yeah, that water is quite warm, isn't it?
I don't know. He might be.
Well, he's just either just about.
What are we looking at there, Paul?
About 40.
There we go. Dad's on.
Is it best if I come this side?
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish.
There's one following him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got him? Yeah. There was actually
That's
a
a
fish
nice
following that fish.
That's a very nice fish.
Did you see that one following him?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Sorry about that, Paul. Oh, it's a nice fish.
Yeah, he's a very nice fish. Well done. So we've just moved up to this end of the pilings because the Stena line's coming in. Yeah, so we just moved there, do the sensible thing, move out of the way. So we've just come up here, just for a little while, just until it docks, and then we might go back down there again. Oh, that's a very nice fish. He's lovely. Oh, that's wicked. That.
What do you want to go back down there for?
That's
Look at the size
sizable.
of these.
That's sizable, for sure.
What do we say? Oh, does it go from that way?
Yeah, it does go from that way. Yeah.
We've got 49 there, guys.
49, lovely.
49.
Well done.
Yeah, well happy with that.
There was a fish the same size.
Well, we couldn't get the camera on quick enough, and Dylan just pulled in another beauty.
It's very
Another
nice.
beautiful silverback.
That's
Look at that
probably,
one.
yeah, nearly just there again. Look,
43.
yeah, 43. That one.
Lovely.
I don't think this one's that big. But yeah, I mean.
It's that tide pulling as well, isn't it? It's, oh, I don't know there, Paul. It's quite a nice fish again.
It's not a bad little fish.
Oh,
Yeah,
bad
he's
fish.
about as big as that one.
There we go, look at that. That's a, oh, that's a beauty. Well done, Paul. Lovely
Not a bad
fish.
fish.
Yeah, lovely. What's he go?
Come on,
What's he stopped? Ooh, just under in it. 41.
41, he's got to go back then.
Go back. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Dylan's in again.
Smaller one this time.
There we go.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, this is great fun.
Great fun. Can't beat this.
I'm not. Back he goes.
Lovely. Yep. The boy's in again.
That's the best size.
Yeah, he's in there.
Easy. Yeah, that's not a bad size one again.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's a
good.
nice one.
Lovely. That was a nice fish again. Yeah. Oh, that's a little. Oh, were you in as well, Paul?
No. Did you see that take though?
No, I didn't actually. I was just. Oh, it's a beauty. Look at that.
Another
Lovely
one.
fish.
Yeah, that's a
Oh,
cracker.
wonderful.
That's a nice one. Yeah, so we've got our photo. This one is going to go back. Lovely and healthy, these fish. Really are healthy.
Lovely, isn't they?
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, Paul's in now.
Another nice size one, isn't it?
Is there any small fish in this part?
There is.
What a glorious evening as well to be catching them. Look at that. Sun still shining. It's what's the time now? 8:15 in the evening. Oh, absolutely stunning. Did it get you, mate?
Yeah, he's got me. He's done me.
Don't swear, you're on film.
No, I'm not going to say another word on the subject. Let's get this done. Cool, you wanted that?
Yeah, we'll get back to you when you get that one unhooked, I think.
Just watch.
There you go, away.
That's the kitty.
We thought we'd sort of almost lost that one because it swallowed the hook, but
well, yeah. Once again, Captain Dylan's given us a lesson.
Yeah.
Well, another fantastic session on the boat. Been absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
It really has.
Really
Absolutely.
great. Bass fishing, you can't beat it. Especially on a night like tonight. Look at that, look. Beautiful sunset.
Lovely out there, isn't it?
So that's it from us, and we'll catch you on our next video. Take care, guys.
See you later.